Welcome to the wild world of Wii controllers. That came at me very quick. We've got, I thought this was a new item. Look how freaking gross that is. Smells like cigarettes. I know you can still smoke in bowling alleys. Oh, okay. If your fingertips are too big or too small, they've got a bunch of additional fingertips. It's actually a little big.
I don't like that noise.
You don't like the sound of the Wii ball? Actually, it's kind of okay.
We have to censor all of that now.
Get your mind out of the gutter. Oh! Let's go! Well, that's a simple accessory. I push buttons on the outside, it just pushes it on the actual remote. Oh! My ball is pointing! My ball is pointing! This is not ergonomic to use, I will tell you that.
Me channel.
I did not do that. Oh, you know what? The ball also has a habit of just rolling around and pressing buttons when you set it down.
Yeah, balls
Look,
tend to roll.
it's just pressing different things right now. Okay, so I need to use, immediately I found a problem. The D-pad to actually adjust is over on the top, which means that you are really extending out. Like, I feel like I'm gonna get like a cramp or something, because it's a lot of weight that you have to kind of hold, and then you're pushing down.
Is it that heavy? Goodness gracious.
It surprised me. When you throw the ball, all that weight is meant to fly, but when you're still holding it, I just feel a lot of tension here in like sort of my wrist, which does not feel great. I'm gonna say that while you're almost certainly gonna give yourself carpal tunnel, thumbs up on the Wii Bowling Ball. Next up, we have...
This is practice. Something so upsetting about this coming in a vacuum sealed plastic bag.
I feel like I'm not in on the joke right now.
You never are.
Is this a baby? Is this the baby from the This Is?
Let's go. Wait, what baby from This Is?
We did this on an episode of This Is, when we did some of the weird controllers.
Oh yeah. I don't watch our content.
It's the baby! It's so cute! And it has a hole for a Wii remote! Oh no, I don't like this. Who thought this was a good idea?
From the bright minds that brought you Cooking Mama,
Wait, what is it, Cooking Baby?
No! Oh my god!
Oh, that's the DLC?
No, it's Babysitting Mama! Oh my god.
I meant it like, you're like a baby and you're cooking!
That still makes no sense.
I don't like this. And that's all you get, your home button.
Just point the baby butt at the...
It doesn't go through the butt! I gotta take it out. You gotta launch the game before you put the remote in the baby.
Why is...
This is not right. This is not right. Babysitting, babysitter's guide, memories, options, versus play. I'm gonna do babysitting.
What is versus?
Who's got the cooler baby? You don't do that, Matt?
Oh my god.
Okay, I gotta learn how to take care of a baby. What do I do? Oh, okay. What am I doing wrong?
He's learning a
This is
lot.
where we learn that Austin's a horrible father. Careful, one more strike and they're calling Child Protective Services.
Milk! Milk!
He needs some milk.
Ah! Don't get angry, don't spit up! Don't spit up!
You're bourbon him next.
Yeah, let's go! Yeah, let's go! Sorry. I just don't like any part of this. I don't like the fact that you've got some cyborg baby with a Wii remote sticking out his back. Thumbs down. Thumbs down. The double thumbs down.
Are you gonna, yeet this one like you do all the other packages?
I will gently give it to Matt so he can deal with it, because
Oh,
my
okay.
turn's over. Matt,
You're the proud new owner.
don't shake the baby. Wow.
No.
Cold-hearted. Are these just boxing gloves? But wait, oh my. So this one clearly seems like where you're supposed to put the Wii remote. Look it in there, okay. Here it comes. I don't like this.
this.
Bro, this thing's in there so tight. So I have my Wii remote on the outside, which I will say makes my fist feel very stiff. Creative clash, here I come. All right, here we go.
You're a little out of breath there, buddy.
Actually kind of fun. Why are my hands literally not in the right? My right hand is like way above.
Oh, this music. Let's go.
Are they gonna copyright this?
No, it's fine.
The gloves actually work pretty well. It certainly feels better than just taking the Wii and the nunchuck. Now, give me 5 minutes to get out of the ring here.
You seem pretty out of breath after doing that.
No.
Let's do something a little bit more your speed.
Okay. What is this? The fishing, wait, it comes with the Wii remote and nunchuck and everything? Oh, what a deal. Have either of you guys ever been fishing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Have you?
I have 2 fishing trophies from when I was a child.
Oh, wow.
Go, Austin, go.
I caught the most fish when I was 6 or 7, and then I caught the biggest fish when I was like 8 or 9. Got the trophies.
I feel like I'm very quickly being encased in boxes over here.
It does look like you got a lot of Wii accessories.
Oh, this video's just getting started, my friend.
So I'm gonna insert my Wii remote in. Wait. Oh! Wow, that feels terrible. Try it. What do you mean miss? Let's move on, even though you failed to cast correctly after 3 attempts.
I got sick of waiting on you.
Okay, yeah, I'm done with this. This sucks. If you had the patience, maybe.
What happened to I have a bunch of fishing trophies?
Sometimes they aren't biting, Matt. It's called fishing, not catching.
That was weirdly poetic.
I've got to give this a thumbs down. It works okay, but it seems needlessly complicated and also not that accurate. Also, it's not that much fun. Sorry.
All right, so fishing wasn't your game. Maybe hunting would be better.
Chicken shoot. Wait, this is your game?
Yes, the game of my people.
Yikes.
Well, okay then. What accessory do I need for chicken shoot? Is it a Wii?
Okay.
A crossbow. Not a word I can't say on YouTube to get demonetized. A crossbow.
I believe it's officially the Zapper.
Zapper. I can say Zapper.
And if I remember correctly, this one had a bunch of channels to run all the cables.
Oh yeah, you're right. So this whole thing opens on the bottom. I can run my cables. Oh, look at that. This was actually designed by people who care. Okay, it's designed by Nintendo. Let's not go that far.
Okay, my dad bought me this game, so say nice things.
Why is it using a Glock?
I'm zapping him.
What is that thing in the bottom?
It's a minion. I got it. I'm shooting planes down. I mean, zapping planes down.
Okay. Dude over here trying to thing.
Okay.
Okay, we're
Let's
not
try a
including
different game.
that.
Let's try a different game. I think it's the time that we move over to a different game. All right. Let's try the Zapper and Link's crossbow training. Well, I will immediately say this looks nice for a Wii game. I'm actually feeling okay about this. This is not bad. Oh, I can zoom. Oh, that helped. Okay. This is actually kind of fun. There's a lot of latency, but honestly, it's still like fun enough. Oh, my target score is 20,000 and I got 4,000.
Well,
I thought I did good.
Uh-oh, there's a skeleton.
My years of arcade practice is helpful. Ah, why am I turning? Turn. Link, what are you doing? What are you doing? Turn. Ah, why am I turning? Bro, I'm not even doing anything.
I don't think you're gonna make that target score.
I'm gonna still give the Zapper a thumbs up because this is definitely the most high quality accessory I've tried today. But boy, I appreciate modern technology so much more now. Next, we've got the Wonder Stick for my Wii. Well, the good thing is, it's completely portable. I can take it apart and take it with me. Never leave home without your Wonder Stick. That's what my dad always told me. I appreciate, though, that this is a relic of a different age. It's still completely sealed in the box. This doesn't feel like a pool cue. This feels like a big wand. Wingardium Leviosa! Okay.
Mike! Mike!
I have no idea how I'm playing, so.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Oh.
Really got a hold of that one.
Oh God. This is terrible. Did people actually pay money for this?
Well, we did. We paid $50 for this. And also, it is known for blocking the sensor.
Yeah, but to say, you know, being able to use it for the game, thumbs down on the Wonder Stick. That's heavy. That was really heavy. Okay. Let's see what we got next. This is awesome. It's a real go-kart for Mario Kart.
Well, sort of.
It apparently supports up to 250 pounds and can be used for all ages.
You know, that was my game. Thanks, Matt.
What's below? The card up.
Okay.
Oh God.
I'm gonna take off my shoes for this one.
It sounds awful.
I'm gonna be Luigi, the correct option.
You might want to go.
Oh no, wait, no, hold on. It's actually reversed. Hold on.
Not there, but.
Hold up, I gotta flip this thing around. All right, we're finally up and running. I'm being lapped somehow. Dude, you have to turn this so much.
I mean, that's just how it goes in Mario Kart Wii. Oh, okay.
This does not feel like it's designed for adults. I'm just gonna say that right now. Does anyone else want to try this? This is very frustrating.
Okay, all right.
It does say for all ages.
Get into compact mode.
Just perfectly, guys. I just gotta go like that.
Compact mode.
Oh my God, no, this steering is so, it's not responsive like at all.
This seems like a cool idea, but I think it'd be better just to do it like this.
You mean like the Nintendo wheel controller they, made
Yeah.
for this game?